Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a really spooky clean with me. I think my house might be haunted, but I'm not sure. I kept hearing things when I was cleaning, but I never saw anything. Also, there's somebody else on YouTube this house is haunted. I'll leave a link in the description so you can go see. So we had dinner this night, and I was cleaning up like I usually do, but I kept hearing this noise. It was almost like a growl, and I thought it was coming from outside, but when I looked around, I didn't see anything. And then, when I was trying to clear the counter off, I just felt like someone was watching me. Do you ever get the feeling that someone is in the room with you and you get chills down the back of your neck? And then when I was in the living room, I could have sworn I felt someone touch the back of my neck. So after all of this cleaning, I decided to just sit down, watch some TV, and hopefully get rid of this freaky feeling that I was having. So I hope you guys enjoyed this clean with me, and I will see you in my next video.